Ideally, your website should address a burning problem. If you can do that and create your content in a manner that people find solutions on the website, your website can really go viral. People are really looking to the internet for genuine content for their issues as to how to solve them and how to relieve them of the pain that they face in their day-to-day lives. You can address either one problem or multiple problems as well, and this will become key to your success. Thank you and have a good day.